I also migrate from rural areas to urban areas for improving myself and for achieving my goals. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sultan Ahmed and I am the student of 10th standard. Today I am standing in front of you to talk about on a very important topic which is related to our education and our dreams. Dear brother and sister, as we all know that migration is one of the part of our life which through we can change our life, which through make our goal, which through we can touch our personality, our dream. Dear brother and sister, some people are migrating from one place to another place for improving their self, for learning something which are new. And when we migrate from rural areas to urban areas, and definitely we learn something which are new, and most of the people are migrating day by day, and they want to achieve their dreams, they want to achieve their goals, and they want to make a big character, and they want to make a big character in their life. And migration of one place to another place is very precious, which if we migrate from one place to another place, and then we can touch our goals. And if I talk about myself, I also migrate from rural areas to urban areas for improving myself and for achieving my goals. Whenever we migrate from one place to another place, and definitely we start learning new things from journey. And whenever we think about it, what I am doing, where is my mistake, and when we improve our mistake, when we focus on new things, when we learn new things, and definitely we learn something which are very important, which are very precious in our life. And when we achieve a good goal, when we achieve our goal, and then we make imagination, and without focus we cannot achieve our goal, we cannot achieve our personality. And focus is one of the best thing which through we can make our life easy, which through we can make the life of our family, and make a good character, make a good personality. And most of the people, they want to achieve their goal, but without hard work, without consistency, we cannot do everything, the single thing. And it depends on us if we do work on it, if we work on it, if we think about it, what I am doing, where is my mistake, what should I do, and then definitely we improve ourselves. And when we make our mistake, when we learn new thing, and we learn our mistake, where I did mistake, where is my mistake, and how I can improve on it, and definitely then we learn something. And improving of something is one of the best thing which through we can touch our personality. And everyone want to make their life easy, but some people, they are spending their time in not a right way, and they are indulging in a bad activity. Like drug addiction is one of the big cause of people. We should not indulge in it, and if we indulge in drug addiction, then definitely our life will be spoiled, and we cannot achieve our goal, and our nervous system is totally lost, and our body is totally lost. And it depends on us if we touch, and if we choose right way, and then we make our life easy. And we should always focus in our study, in our goal, what you want to achieve. If we think about it, so time is limited, and I want to conclude my speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.